Learn to read. Once you learn to read, you will be forever free. To read, we need to first learn the alphabet. The alphabet is the building blocks for reading. Second, learn letter sounds required for learning to read. Third, CVC words. You are now ready to learn to decode and blend sounds in CVC words. Fourth, syllables. Every word is made up of letters. Each letter has its own sound. When you add all these sounds together, you get a word that you can read. Fifth, sentences. You are now able to read a set of words that is complete in itself.